Hello, this video provides instructions on how to install the Hawk bag mount onto a standing heavy bag. The mounting kit includes the following parts: top and belly cam straps. Note these are identical and either can be used for each strap. Footman's loop, upper back anchor assembly, two 1/4 1-inch socket head cap screws, a carabiner, and a cam strap guide cap. Start with the Hawk torso face down on its belly to gain access to the CTP spine plate and shoulder mounting points. The footman's loop attaches to the two holes at the bottom of the spine plate along its center line. Place the footman's loop over the two holes and, using the 3/16 Allen wrench that came with the kit, screw the two 1/4 1-inch socket head cap screws through the loop and into the mounting points. We suggest you put both screws in place before firmly tightening each screw down. Next, we are going to attach the upper back anchor assembly to Hawk. Insert the assembly into the middle back mounting point and, using the 7/32 Allen key, tighten the bolt into place. Prepare the belly cam strap by holding it with the cam lock bottom side up and string the strap through the footman's loop. Lay the bag on top of Hawk. Position the bag so there's about 1 to 2 inches of space between the top of the bag and the top of the anchor assembly. Wrap the belly strap around the bag and thread its end through the bottom side of the cam lock and out of the top. Pull the strap through without fully tightening yet. Attach the carabiner to the strap so it is located directly opposite of Hawk on the heavy bag and tighten the strap. Next, we are going to string the top cam strap through the cam strap guide. Note that the guide has two slots cut on opposite sides for the strap to go through. With the cam lock bottom side up, locate the end of the strap. With the guide cap also bottom side up, string the strap through one slot, then back out the other. Pull the slack through the cap and verify your setup is the same as shown. Lay the guide topside up on the bag and once again find the end of the strap. Thread the strap through the back anchor by first going under the anchor, then through and over the top of the anchor. Pull the slack through. Turn the guide cap upside down thread the strap first through the side opposite of the cam lock and then out the side closest to the cam lock. Pull the slack through so the guide cap can fit over the center of the top of the bag. Finally, thread the end of the strap through the carabiner and into the cam lock. As before, the strap should enter the cam lock through the bottom side of the lock. Begin to tighten the strap while periodically recentering the guide cap. When tight, roll up the excess strap and tuck it under the cord. Do the same for the belly cam strap. Stand the bag up and the installation is complete. Double check your setup. It should look similar to this example. Note that you can raise or lower the hawk as needed by loosening the belly strap and adjusting the top strap until the hawk is at the desired height. Then when done, retighten the belly strap. That's it, you're ready to go.